Hey, whether you're taking your first leap away from your childhood home or embarking on a relocation, I've got some fantastic tips to mitigate common mistakes. I've prepared you for this move with my blog and video, Dear Clutter, It's Over, where I shared valuable insights on reducing clutter. Now it's time to take the next big step. Buying that dream home. But, of course, you don't want to make unintended boo-boos or mistakes. Maybe that's a better word. Hey there, it's me, Stefan Burchard, the Desert Bowtie Realtor here in the Palm Springs region. I record and post content here about the greater Palm Springs region real estate market and the desert lifestyle because I believe that knowledge is power. Check back because I upload new content every other week. The first mistake buyers make is procrastination or dragging your feet. Picture this, you find the perfect home, fall in love with it, and what do? You hesitate. You delay. You let time slip by. By the time you finally make your move, someone else swoops in and snatches it away. Let's not let indecision rob you of your dream home. Act swiftly and decisively. Mistake number 2, offering the max approval amount. Now, it's important to remember that just because you're approved for a certain amount doesn't mean you have to offer the maximum. When you offer your max approval, sellers might think you're stretching your budget and question your financial stability. So be strategic about the current market and make an offer that's reasonable and within your comfort zone. Mistake number 3, using an unknown or obscure lender. You may think you're being clever by going with a lesser known or online lender, but it can actually backfire in your face. Sellers often feel more secure when dealing with reputable lenders, so stick with ones that have a solid reputation in your local market. Remember, trust and credibility really make a difference. Mistake number 4, lowballing. We've all heard this saying, you never know until you try. Well, that might not always be the case when it comes to lowballing. While it's okay to negotiate, making an unrealistically low offer can insult the seller and hinder any chance of a fruitful negotiation. I've seen it happen many times in my 22 years, where a buyer lowballs on their offer and does not even get a response from the seller. So, be market smart, fair, and reasonable when presenting your offer. Mistake number 5, waiving inspection contingencies. Now, this is a tricky one. Waiving the inspection contingency might seem like a bold move to win the seller's favor, but it can leave you vulnerable to unexpected issues down the line. Remember, inspections are there to protect you and ensure you're making a sound investment, so think twice before waiving that contingency. Mistake number 6, letting others sway your offer. You know, Aunt Madge or friends, family, or even well-meaning real estate agents might offer their advice, but it's crucial to stay true to your own needs and your financial situation. Don't let others' opinions dictate your offer. You know what's best for you. So trust your instincts and make an offer that aligns with your goals and expectations. And now, the final and biggest mistake of them all, not selling yourself. When submitting an offer, it's not just about the numbers. You need to show the seller why you're the perfect buyer for their property. Share your story, highlight your strengths, and create a connection. This can be tricky because of equal housing and discrimination laws, but it can be done with a good realtor, after all. People often choose emotionally, not just based on price. And this includes the sellers. So don't underestimate the power of selling yourself. Buying a home is not just a transaction. It's an emotional journey. By avoiding mistakes, you can increase your chances of getting that accepted offer or at least a counter offer. So go out there, be smart, and find your dream home. Woo! Hey, please pass this on to a friend or family member who may be looking to buy or sell here. And now, watch this video about the cost of living comparison between Palm Springs and Cathedral City. Bye! When you're all... sit back, relax, and let's dive into 6. This has nothing to do with moving. This is 6. I have to redo all that. And what do? PU!